I'm Chicks with Tricks. Welcome to my channel and join me as I video everything that I am passionate about, from reptiles to jet skis, drifting, and basically anything in between. As you can see right here, I have a very special box. And what do you think is in it? Well, I'm gonna tell you, that's why you're here. So it is my adult breeding pair of red-eyed Croc Skinks, crocodile skinks. I'm not going to say the scientific name, I'm just going to put it right down here because I have a hard enough time saying the common name and regular English words. I bought them from ILLExotics. I've been, for the last month and a half, I've been trying to track down captive bred Croc Skinks, and it's actually not a very easy task. They're just such a neat animal to bring into your home and become a part of your life that I really feel that more people should have access to them, because the imported ones, with a lot of imports, they get sick, they have health problems to begin with, parasites, and the importation of them is really stressful. They're in the pet trade for very cheap, and it's just people who really, I'm not saying that the people who import them don't care about them, but it's more of a, the animal becomes more of a commodity as it's imported than if you captive breed them and you care for them and they become a part of your life. So I really want to start this captive bred program just because I think Croc Skinks they're a really wonderful pet to have and a part of your home. I mean, the enclosures that you can build are so cool. It's just it's limitless, I think. And so that's another reason why I'm so excited about this project. Okay, so this is how they come. Oh, they've got a heat pack. Okay, looks like, oh, she's so pretty. This is the female. You can see her in there. Okay. Oh, this is the little male. So cute. Okay, very nice. Okay, so looks like they arrived safely. Thank you for nice packing, and thank you FedEx for not killing my little creatures. So let's open this little girl up. Nice and warm. Okay, here's the little Croc Skink. Get your little moss. Oh, a piece of styrofoam in there. A cute little guy. These are two captive bred red-eyed crocodile skinks, and they are from SoCalHerps, and the package looks to be good. Okay, here we go. Here's one. Here's two. That's where they came from. We've got the little beautiful skinks. Just a tiny little thing. Here's one. Oh, wow. Absolutely. Okay. And he's off. Hello, sweetie. Hello. You're so tiny and cute. Look at you. There we go.